Welcome to Sunny Elevator. In today's video, we're highlighting the role of elevator roller guides, a key component in delivering a smooth and stable elevator ride. Roller guides travel along the hoistway rails, keeping the elevator car properly aligned as it moves up and down. By maintaining this alignment, roller guides ensure both safety and efficiency. Much like the shock absorbers in a car, roller guides absorb vibrations during elevator movement. This helps reduce bumps or jerks, creating a much smoother and quieter ride for passengers, especially in high-speed or high-rise elevators. With roller guides in place, the elevator car glides smoothly along the rails, minimizing both vibration and noise. This is essential for enhancing the comfort of passengers and ensuring reliable performance over time. At Sunny Elevator, our roller guides are built with high-quality materials, ensuring they can withstand heavy usage and require minimal maintenance. Regular inspections can further extend their lifespan, ensuring a consistently smooth ride. Elevator roller guides are vital for maintaining alignment, reducing vibrations, and ensuring a comfortable, stable ride. At Sunny Elevator, we provide reliable, durable roller guides for optimal elevator performance. Thank you for watching. To learn more, visit our website.